So, hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting in front of you my blood donors management system, which has been built in Django, which is a framework of Python. So, as you can see in the screen in front of you, the first page is the register or the sign up page, where the user will register himself. So, let's say the username is this, and that's an email. Type in some password and then confirming it. So, signing up. It takes me to the login page where the register has been successfully made of the user. Now, when I put in some user which actually does not exist, it won't help me take to the home page. It takes me again to the user login page. Now, when I enter the details of the user that has been created just now and click login, it takes me to the home page where I have the list of all the blood donors with their respective blood groups. Right now, I have three entities with three different blood groups. And now, when I click on adding a new user, I could add a new user here. Let's say hello has O positive and email is number and some address. When I click on save, instead of three, I have four entities now in the list. Now, I've created a donor. I could edit and delete and view them as well. So suppose I have to view this donor. I created right. I click on details and you can see the details of hello, blood type, email, phone number, and current address. Now, in case I want to edit details of suppose, let's say Rajsan. So let's say the phone number is this and the address is now. And I save it and click on details. So you see the number and the address has been updated for Rajsan. Now, I can delete any blood donor as well, just to keep track of the updated data. So let's say I want to delete Ariana. So I click on delete. So there's a prompt which says confirm delete with two options, yes and cancel. So like I click on yes. So you can see instead of four, again we have three left with Ariana donor deleted. So this was a CRUD of the entire blood donation management application. Now, let's take you to the code base. Over here, let's make some changes like to create a new, instead of that, as a newly added, save it, and then open a new terminal, switch to my project, and now adding this to Git, making a new commit, 16 commit made, and then pushing it to GitHub. So since it has been pushed to my GitHub, now let's see the execution of my CI/CD pipeline. So I'll refresh this. So this is my CI/CD pipeline with four main steps. So the first step has been completed. As you can see, 16th commit made. Now it's going to the build stage, which is in progress. So every time I make changes in my code and then push it to the GitHub, my CI/CD pipeline will automatically get executed. along with the static analysis for this Sonar Cloud. So let's wait for the build to get completed. Let's refresh to find out. Okay, it's still in progress. So the build stage also has been succeeded. You can see a green check. Now it goes to the next stage, which is an approval to deploy. So this is a manual approval. I'll review this and let's say I approve this. So you can see a green check over here as well and 16 commit made. So waiting for the deployment to get completed and 16 commit made to come here as well. As you can see, it's still loading. Now, you can see it's in progress. And just now, green check should appear here as well, like the all other stages. Now, as you can see, in my CI/CD pipeline, all the stages have been successfully completed with all the status 2 minutes ago, 1 minute, 1 minute, and then just now. So let's go to my Sonar Cloud to find out the code analysis. You can see new analysis in progress. So Sonar Cloud is actually telling me the quality grade of my source code and grading it on different factors like reliability, maintainability, security, threats, security reviews, and duplications. So let's wait for the analysis to get completed. As you can see, it's still in progress. Meanwhile, let's look into our app and find out if the data has been updated there. So it's over here. Now, you can see I had updated this line and added a newly instead of new. So the data has been successfully updated here as well. So after my CI/CD pipeline and my data being updated here, let's go again to the Sonar Cloud. So you can see analysis has been done and 3 minutes ago, and the 16 commit, which I had just made with the analysis for reliability, maintainability, security, and security threats. So that was it for my application. Thank you.